Hi everyone, welcome back here in this new video tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to count the number of word in a sentence or text string in Microsoft Excel by using formula. To count the number of word, we are going to combine three different functions. These are len, trim and substitute. So here first of all let me use the len function combined with substitute. So here I will type the len function, open the bracket. In the text of the len function I will use the substitute function, open the bracket. Now here in the text of the substitute function click on the sentence, comma. In the old text type double quotation, give a space, double quotation, then give a comma. Now in the new text type double quotation twice, then close this bracket and again close another bracket for the len function. Here the substitute function is replacing the spaces by no space here, and the len function is counting the character length. Now if you press enter here, the result is 48. This is the character count, and here the space is removed. If you count all the character here by removing the space, then it will give the result of 48 here. Now to find out how many spaces are here in this sentence, we have to now subtract this result from the len function again, and the len function counts all the character by taking the space as well. So here if I double click and go before the formula, then type here a len function, open bracket, then click on this sentence, close bracket, then give a minus symbol, and here the first len function is counting the number of character including the space, and the second len function combined with the substitute function is counting the character by removing the space. So this function now gives us how many space are here between the sentence. Here if you count one space, two space, 3, 4, 5, 6 space are there. If there are 6 space, then there is 7 words. So here now we need to add plus 1 at the end of the formula, plus 1. Now the result is given as 7. This is the count of the words in this sentence. If you count, there are 7 words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here this formula is working perfectly, but it is not a complete formula, because if the sentence contains some extra spaces between the words, then this result will be wrong. Suppose that if I go here in the sentence and add here some more spaces, then the result is given as 9. So to remove this kind of problem here, we have to now combine the trim function here. So double click on this, then here we need to combine the trim function after the len function. After this opening bracket, combine the trim function here, then open a bracket. After the F4, give a closing bracket. Now what does the trim function do is it removes all the extra spaces in a sentence. If there is extra space, then the trim function will remove that. Now if you press enter, the result is given as 7. Now it doesn't matter if there are some extra or unwanted spaces in the sentence. Here if I put more spaces, still the result is 7. Now this formula is a complete formula to calculate the number of word in a sentence. Now you can go in the fill handle, then drag this formula down, and here all the words are counted. Here the result is given as 10. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, there are 10 sentences. If you add extra spaces, it doesn't matter, still the result is correct. So this is the way of counting the number of word in sentence in Microsoft Excel. And this was for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.